Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know I'm just going to show you guys how to make a shirt and how to post your shirt. The shirt that I just made right here, I'm uploading it right now, so go check it out. It's called Royal Tags, apparently, because I was trying to write Royal Cassidy's, no, yes, it didn't work. Oh yeah, and by the way, go check out my group called Cassidy's. Yeah, basically I have all these people in it. And go join the fam. Oh yeah, and here is all my stuff. This one is one of I recommend you to buy, and another one is this one that's posting right now. So yeah, let's go on to the video. So here we are once again. So go to create. Go to group creation or my creation, then go to shirt, but I'm going to go to group collection because this is for you guys. So go buy some shirts. I recommend this one or this one because I love that shirt and love this shirt, but since I'm not Cassidy Royal High Munchkin anymore, so don't get that shirt. Don't get these shirts. Get these shirts because it's very cute. So now if you don't have like the template, go here and right click it and click save image as, and then blah. But I'm not going to save it because like, yeah. So now you're going to type in pics. Not PixArt. This, and then put E in it, basically. You can go to E, that's where I use E, the E one, and then go to open image. Here is all my stuff. Yeah. So here we are. No, I'm not looking at a tutorial or anything. I just know how to make this. That's the cool stuff. I know how to make it. So go like this. If you want to have a crop top, go like all the way to here. Right there. Wait, hold up. Right there. And if you want to have it a long sleeve shirt, a long shirt, go down all the way down here. All the way to down. So I want to have a crop top because I'm basic. And that's what I always make. That's my merch. So now go to new layers. Go here, and this time I want to make a red shirt. I want to make a light red. Actually a light pink. It's like nothing coming up that I like. A very cloudy light pink. So we're going to fill that up, and boom, we did that. So now add new layer. So if you want to have like long sleeves, go all the way down to here. I'm at here. If you want to have short sleeves, go like right there. So I'm going to have short sleeves. So go here. Fix that. And there. So now just color it up. Blah blah blah. Boom. So now since we're done with that, we're going to go over here again and go to aesthetic wallpaper. Boom. Go to images. I'm thinking of doing cloudy, and you can do whatever you want. I'm going to go to cloud. Oh. See, don't know how to spell. Okay, so here's a lot of cloud stuff, and I'm thinking, this. This is the one that goes in mine. So right click it and go to save image as, and then type whatever. So I'm going to go like cloud. Oops. This is how your image would look. Yeah. You just wait. You wait. And I just dropped my mouse. So now you go here. Go to image. Wait, layer, and then go to add layer as. Now go to whatever file you did today, like whatever you did. So yes, it might be so big, too big, blah blah blah, a big thing. But no, that's not it. So you go like this. Crop it however you would like it. Crop. Crop. Okay, so circle. So now this shirt, since this is a video, I'm going to add a hole right there. Oh, this is what I get for not doing what I want to do. Not letting it do what it wants to do. Okay, this is difficult. So, yes, it might take like a long time to get it there. But for me, it takes like forever. But since this is my first time putting a hole in my thing, in my shirt, so it can have like that neck thing, it's weird now, sorry, for me. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. So now, next up, you need to go, after you're done with that, you click backspace on your keyboard on layer 2. So now you want to do is you're basically done. Yeah, you're basically done now. Wait, actually I want to have a longer neck, so hold on. Oh no. No, I don't want this hole anymore. I want this. Because I think this will be a longer neck. You know. There. So there you go. There you have it. And then then just go to save as. I forgot something. To go to background and click this check mark. Right here, this check mark. To make it look like a black thing. Okay, now go to files. Go to save as, and then put your name 202 cloudy, and download. Blah 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 blah, and download, and blah 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 blah. I don't know why there was an ad, but whatevs. It was the ad on my screen, lol. And yes, now we go to here, go to what thing was that, and then add files. And now you go to whichever file you made your name as, and ta-da! Another shirt is made. So go check out my shirts. Oh yeah, by the way, you need premium stuff. Boom. and Builders Club to download this. And if you want it to be like everyone can get your shirt, so go to sales, make it as item for sale, and then add whatever you want. So like, if you make it 1, you get $0. If you make it 2, you get $0. If you make it 3, you get $0. If you make it 4, no. 5, you get 3. 6, you get 4. 7, you get 5. 6, you get 8, you get 6. 9, you get 8, you get 6. 9, you get 6. Okay, and then 10, you get 7. And then 12, you get that and that. So yeah, there's like a lot of prices that you can make, and I'm making this shirt a cheap price so you guys can buy it and like it. So I'm going to make it $7 so I can get $5 back. So then you save it, and then it takes a while to get it, but I know it's going to be a pretty good shirt, so make it as favorite. So yeah, and now you go to Cassidy's, and voila, you made the shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. And make sure you go check out my thing. And by the way, these are boy swimsuits, and this is just merch, but don't buy these because like, why would you? And this is just a weird outfit. I tried to make pants, but it came out very, very wrong. So yeah, bye.